What is going on? It is Mr. Banks here, and I just wanted to go over how I made $13,000 on my snow call, how I found the level, and how I break it down so you can do it too. Awesome. So let's start about today. I gave my watch list in the Wolves of Wealth Discord, like I do every morning, and snow was our major winner. Today I had to recheck levels at 225 to 230 for some puts. Yeah, let's take a look at how I found those levels and how I ended up making my money today. All right, let's take a look at snow. Now, as we all know, snow had earnings yesterday and had a major drop off, right? Huge red candle. So I knew that there was going to be some sort of, buying back, because on this drop off on earnings, we did see it hit a major support. That was the low since this stock has been around. So we saw that there was some buying action at a support. So we safe to assume that there'd be a little bit more buying action today. So how did I find my levels, 225 to 230? Well, let me show you. What I first did was look at what was the major support levels, right? So if we take a look at the daily, let's look at the breakout level. So before this major breakout, the low of that was around 235, 234. So we could see right there that that would be a major support. We all know that when a stock breaks out, it will always come back and test it. And that's what we see here. It broke out in July, came back and retested that January 28th of the next year. Yes, we see that the 235 to 230 level is a major support level. We saw it here, see it again a second time, and it came down and bounced off of it a third time. So we know that this is going to be a major support level. So what happens to a major support level? When it breaks, it becomes a major resistance level. So when support levels break, they become resistance. When a resistance level breaks, it then becomes the support. So this is how I found my level on snow today. As you could see, it did went and touched a little bit higher than 230, 234. As you know, I'm always on point, just a couple points. It is an estimate, it's not exact. So don't worry too much on trying to be pinpointed exactly, as long as you know your supply and demand zones. They're not always going to be on point, but as long as you're in a couple points in the range, that is perfect. So as we see here, I got my 230 level. Now I want to trade it intraday. So now I know I have my levels. Let's take a look intraday. Snow played, like I said, snow played out perfectly. As you can see here, we also have a confirmation on the 10-minute that we have the SMA 100. So that is the 100-day moving average. As you know, moving averages are very good support resistance levels as well. So this gave me even more conviction today on my 230 level. As you can see here, it went and touched that. The 100 MA being major resistance, which is also at the 230 level. We also have a tweezer top, right? On the 10 minutes. The tweezer top is a bearish reversal. We also couldn't break out of this resistance here, which if we go back to the daily, again, that is as we can see, that would be the major resistance levels. So with that confirmation, tweezer top, this is exactly, once it broke below the 100 MA is where I took puts. If you take another look at the 5-minute, you can say that this is also another bearish reversal level. You can say it's an eating star. I think if you look it up, you'll understand. It doesn't play exactly to it, but to me, this is an eating star, and it played out exactly like it, which is another bearish reversal level. Awesome. So I had conviction on my puts all the way to here on the 50 MA, because we saw the 8 EMA cross the 20 SMA. So I like to use the 8 EMA versus the 9. If you use the 9, that's perfectly okay. It's pretty much the same level anyways. But yeah, when the 8 crosses the 20, that's a major, shows that we're gonna be headed down. But we did have this major support on the 50. So this is where I cut and took profits on my puts. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a nice quick little breakdown of how I found my support. I found my levels for my reject level. You can see that it was a major support and it went and touched it perfectly. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this. There will be more. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.